Welcome. ProgramixX here. Visual Basic, VB, originally called Visual Basic.NET, VB.NET, is a multi-paradigm, object-oriented programming language implemented on .NET, Mono, and the .NET framework. Microsoft launched VB.NET in 2002 as the successor to its original Visual Basic language, the last version of which was Visual Basic 6.0. But the .NET portion of the name was dropped in 2005. Along with C# and F#, it is one of the three main languages targeting the .NET ecosystem. Microsoft updated its VB language strategy on February 6, 2023, stating that VB is a stable language now and Microsoft will keep maintaining it. The language is often used in conjunction with the Windows Forms GUI library to make desktop apps for Windows. Programming for Windows Forms with Visual Basic involves dragging and dropping controls on a form using a GUI Designer and writing corresponding code for each control. If you enjoyed the video, give a like, and consider subscribing to get access to every new content we will make.